Can you tell me which one is the cow? The cow?
Oh.
Go get the cow. Get the cat. No, the cow. That's the barn. Okay. Well. Hey, Judah. Can you get the cow? Cow? Yes, that's the cow. Good job. What does the cow say? Moo. Okay, can you get the pig? Pig? Can you get the pig? Good job. That's the pig. Very good. Can you get the horse? Judah, can you get the horse? Horse? Where's the horse? Yes. Good job. Yes, that's the horse. Very good. Can you get the sheep? Can you get the sheep? Judah, can you get the sheep? Over here. Can you get the sheep? No, that's the ducks. That's the ducks. Quack, quack. Can you get the sheep? Sheep. Sheep. Which one's a sheep? Okay. Well, we're done with that puzzle. Good job. Good try anyway. I think that's pretty good for 10.5 months. Cow. Moo. Judah, can you say cow? Moo.